Most CAD aspirants tend to forget that the GD PI WAT stage holds a weightage of 40% to 60% across majority of B schools for their final selection. Different B schools have different requirements. Some focus at 10th score, some at 12th score, some at graduation score, some focus at language, some focus at logic, some at mathematics, but mostly all of them focus on all the things combined. The most important thing that they look for is communication, both verbal and non-verbal. They need someone who knows something about everything, and that's what a manager is. My name is Abhishek Pandey, and in my 8 years of active teaching experience, I have trained hundreds of students for communication, body language, and confidence building. Welcome to iQuanta. We have launched a comprehensive GD PI WAT program in which there will be multiple case studies, multiple GD rounds, and one-on-one personal interview sessions. In addition to that, we'll also provide you with ebooks based on GK, current affairs, communication, body language, writing ability, interview experiences, and much more. To enroll to this amazing program, visit iQuanta.in. See you in the live sessions.